Hey guys, today I'll be sharing with you my homemade rye bread recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Now without further ado, let's make some rye bread. In a small mixing bowl, we're going to combine 1 packet of active yeast and 1.5 cups of warm water. Allow the mixture to sit for about 5 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, we're going to combine our dry ingredients. We're going to start off with 3 cups of all-purpose flour, followed by 1.5 cups of dark rye flour. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. To the yeast and water mixture, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of molasses. To our flour mixture, we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter. Then we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Knead until dough ball forms. Allow the dough to rest for 1 hour. Knead dough on a floured surface. Allow dough to rest for 30 minutes in a greased baking dish. Score dough, bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And there you have it, rye bread.